Yes, I know, I didn't have a camera aimed at the engine while putting some of it together. I'm terrible. But so far, I've put the main caps on, put the rods in, the pistons and the rings. It's my first time ever putting pistons and just doing any of this, honestly. It's my first time ever trying to do anything engine building. So it's kind of neat and scary at the same time. But I got my pistons in last night. Looking fresh. The big old 40 over beast, you know. Just slap that on there and you can give her a rotation. Oh. There you go. Oh yeah. It's a little hard with one hand. Yeah. That's mint. So yeah. Slowly but surely getting her put together. I'll try and do more videos. It's just I'm not really good at this, so videoing it may be really boring because I don't actually know what I'm doing. I'm kind of learning as I go and ask a few questions as I put this together. So I had to do about the pistons. My brother kind of explained how to put the rings and do all that stuff, so sitting there while I'm texting my brother and on the phone with him isn't probably the greatest thing to watch. But I'll at least take pictures and make some sort of video of the assembly of the engine. I'm hoping in the next couple days to get it put together enough. I'm going to put the block in the car and then do the rest on top when it's in the car, because it'll be a lot easier to manage lining the clutch up and everything with just the block. So yeah. Yes! Dumped a little gas down her. Oh, fired right up. Right, let's see what that oil pressure is when it fires up. Oh yeah, she's got a ton of pressure. Sweet. I do not know what my old engine used to have for oil pressure. I wish I would have had that gauge before because she was whooped. Well, I guess it's this engine before it was rebuilt. But yeah, that's a lot of pressure. Sweet. It's got a brand new pump, of course. It's a part, why not? New Weber carb. I'm gonna run my electric pump. You don't need to worry about that tape now. I just kind of threw that in there, but I gotta figure out where I want to mount that pump. But yeah, I'm going to an electric pump and I'm putting this little regulator thing in it at 4 pounds. I'm excited. I did a little tuning on the old carb here. She was definitely running a bit rich. Adjusted that. Pretty much like, I think it was a full turn in from where it was out of the box is where it seems to be happy now. But adjusted the idle. Seems pretty good. The old electric pump just chilling. It seems to be good about where it's at. I don't think I'm gonna monkey with it. I'll have to drive it some more. This thing's never purred so smooth. Oh my god. Get pour wine on this thing. Is this a sewing machine? Well, that pretty much wraps up the engine assembly video. I know it's a lot of pictures and a lot of me not making any sense. That's typical. But yeah, the rest is just kind of checking the timing, button everything up, get my hood back on that decided to fall off the roof. So now the corner's caved in, but that's fine. I have another hood, doesn't matter. So yeah, breakfast. Hope you liked my terrible video, as I know I sure did.